Hey there guys, it's Lee here and welcome to iMineBlocks. Today's video will be an unboxing video and we're going to be unboxing this cool device which is called the Coolwallet S. So it's manufactured by CoolBitX and they are a producer of hardware wallets. So this is one of their latest products and they kindly sent me over a sample to show you guys. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing. In the follow-up videos I'll be doing like a setup video and an instructional guide. But this one we're just going to be taking a look inside and seeing exactly what's inside the package, what's included and how everything looks for the first time. So let's start by getting it unwrapped. Try that again, gotta dig in a bit more there. Okay, so that's our wrapper removed and it looks like it's kind of just slides out of this packaging. So it's just like a little cardboard sleeve. And then it's the case, you can see the hinge on it there, so I guess it opens up this way. Okay, and it's got some writing inside, hopefully you can see that. Try and refocus. And that's from Michael Hu, the CoolBitX CEO. Okay, so let's take a look inside the box. We can see the card piece on top here. Take that just for a moment. Move some of this packaging to the side here. Recovery card, and I'll go through each piece in a bit more detail. Just kind of get everything out of the box. We'll take a look at exactly what we've got. So I think that's it for all of the packaging. The rest is just a bit of a foam inserts in there. So I'll just move that to the side. One first thing that I have noticed at this point in time is that there is no tamper-proof security seal that you normally see on a lot of the other hardware wallets. I haven't seen anything on that, so maybe they've got a different way of doing things, but that's just one thing that I've noticed during that unboxing. Let's take a look at the hardware wallet itself. There's just a sticker there to the side. So this piece here, which looks very much like a credit card, is our hardware wallet. So it's basically exactly the same size proportions as a credit or debit card. Thinness, it may be a tiny bit thicker, but not really anything that's you can see significantly. Looks very similar dimensions to a normal credit or debit card, but this is actually going to be our hardware wallet. So from what I've seen in a few other videos is that this is a tiny, I'm not sure if the correct term is an LCD screen, but it's a small display. And that shows you some basic information regarding the wallet transactions, etc. So we'll be coming more onto that at a later stage, or like I said, a follow-up video, we'll be doing a lot more detailed look at that. Taking a look at the next piece, so we've got a recovery card here. That will be used for writing down our recovery seeds in case the device is lost, damaged, stolen, etc. There's a user manual, so they've got some QR codes to get started with the accompanying app. Tells you some bits and pieces about the specifications of the device and also the cryptocurrencies that it supports. Just going back to that front piece there, you can see it says the display is called an e-paper display. So you can see it shows you the top of the logo that you kind of the currency that you're interacting with, and then some 8-digit sort of sections. It's got some instructions for charging the wallet. So that was one of the things I wasn't too sure of, whether it just had a everlasting battery or how exactly that would work, but it has a kind of this mini docking station, so we'll have a look at that in just a moment. Okay, and on the back it's got some, so this is kind of interesting to show you, it looks like the display doesn't show all of the characters maybe, or it's got like a funny way of showing them perhaps. So you can see over here we've got the P, Q and R, and the way they're shown is not quite right according to the display, so it's kind of like an interpretation of that. So it's going to show you most of the letters, but some of the letters might not be so obvious. Okay, so that's the card that's included there. I guess we've just got a USB cable. So let's see what type of cable it is. So it's just a USB to micro USB connector. It's about 20 centimeters long, and it's sort of a thin flat cable type design. And then we've got this little piece here, which is our charger. This little plastic piece on the top there. And there's the USB connector on the side. So I guess you could also use it this way if you maybe wanted to connect it to your PC. That's something that we'll have to try out. Sorry for it scratching on the side there. And then our card, I have to confirm exactly which way around it goes, but maybe something like that. So that's how we charge it and maybe also interact with it on the PC. Actually, I'm guessing by seeing these two sort of metal connectors on the back, and I think they could be. Obviously, reading the instructions in detail will confirm that, but I'm guessing those metal contacts are for charging and interacting with the card part. Okay, so one extra thing I just wanted to show you, just removing this kind of extra cellophane wrap there, just so you can see the kind of the finish on the card a little bit better. I didn't really realise that as I was recording. It's kind of made it look like it had a glossy finish, where it's got more of a matte finish. So you can see it a bit better in the light there, and also on the rear, sorry. I also wanted to see this button, I guess, activates it. So I just wanted to see if we've got any display. Oh, so we do have a display, and that is it. So we've got the battery level, and it says please pair. So obviously we need to connect it to our phone or some other device at this point. That's quite cool. I guess I'll just turn it off now. Kind of like a little poppy button. And that's off. Cool. Okay guys, so that's the end of it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Of course, it's been me unboxing the Coolwallet S. So if you have any questions or comments about this device, put those in the comments area and I'll be sure to get back to you. Anything you're unsure of, I'll try and respond directly to you, or I can contact the creators and maybe they can answer your questions directly. I'll be doing a follow-up to this video for this device, should I say. We'll be testing it out for the very first time in the real world, so I'll be setting it up, using it as a real hardware wallet. I'll be going through that whole process sort of step by step and taking you along for that journey. So if you're interested in learning more about this device, then check out my follow-up video. So thanks very much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.